How to activate HDFC credit card? First of all, open Google on your phone and search for HDFC My Card. Then go to the first link from HDFC Bank. Now enter your registered mobile number and the OTP will be automatically fetched. Click Submit to proceed. Once logged in, you will see your existing linked cards. Since this is your first credit card, click on Add Now or the plus icon to add your new credit card. Choose credit card as the product, provide your consent and submit. Next, enter the last 4 digits of your credit card and click Add. Once the card is successfully added, click Done. And that's it. Now you know how to activate HDFC credit card. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more banking tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.